This building was started last year, 20 January 2nd week, I think, or third week. It's supposed to be finished. This is the bedroom, the living room, and then this is the toilet. The problem we got here, they put the water, everything's done without checking the pipe or the water, and it was leaking. So they need to dig it and redo it again, only in the Philippines. So if you're planning to build the house in Philippines, you should be in here. That's it. Disappointed. The drainage of this shower room is not drained, so it's a problem, big problem. That's what I can say. Ta-da!